cage. So this is our cylinder for easy access. This is how our cage is, right? So your cylinder is open. So we have our dual manifold, which is at the back here. Can you come closer? So we have our dual manifold that is there. So this gives you allowance to use up to 2 cylinders. When one runs out, you just easily switch to the next. You don't have the hassle of disconnecting. So it's open. Here we're open. So cage is closed. So what we have here, we've run our copper piping, which has come through. On the point here, it goes to the insides to the gas stove. And at this particular point, the gas pipe comes through, and we've put a gas geyser. This is a Rinnai gas geyser. It's powered by electricity for ignition. So it's working hand in hand with the electric geyser. So all the valves are opened, the gas valve is opened. So let's go on the inside, we turn on the stove, and we see how the geyser is working. So with our Rinnai gas geyser, you don't need to go and turn it on and off. So come to our hot water here. The moment you open, once your water starts flowing, the geyser automatically ignites and will be receiving hot water. Within a short period of time, so in about maybe 10-20 seconds, yeah, the water is now getting warm. So now the water is hot. You don't need to go and turn it on or off. All you do, just open the hot water, the geyser goes on, and you're receiving hot water. Yeah, we're good to go. Then we have our stove here, because we've connected the whole system in series. We've got an internal safety valve, the one that was put here. So that's our internal safety valve. So at this particular point, that valve is opened, and our stove is also able to go on. So the stove is working in series with the gas geyser. Thanks Matt, thank you LPG Gas, call Gas Connect Zambia, and we ensure that